The second tip I'm going to be give you how to hold the pencil first of all. Like if you are holding one pencil for the shading, you not need to be hold the pencil simply as you're writing with the pencil. Okay, you need to be hold the pencil either from the some distance from the lead, or you need to be hold it like this. Okay, this will going to be support to your shadings, and also hold the support this hand, and just it make very easy to do the shading with this. Okay, either hold like this or hold the pencil from the some distance of the lead. Now when we start with the shading, like we are starting, I have made two boxes in front of you. One is I will do the wrong shading, and one I'll show you how to do the proper shading over here. Okay, like I'm putting very less pressure now, and I'm just doing like this. What is here? I am putting the more pressure, that is why the shade is dark. And if I put the lighter pressure, the same pencil, the shade will be lighter. Now what is wrong I am doing with the shading in this? There are some gaps over there, so we not need to be do it like this. Now the right way to do the shading, we start from one direction and first of all put lighter pressure and not leaving any area between that. You can see that it is merged properly. Okay, this is the first tone, little bit dark. Same pencil, I am putting less pressure now, and I'll make a lighter tone with this. Lighter the pressure, lighter will be the tone. Now what will happen when we need to show, suppose here a light, a patch is visible, we not show these patches over here. To make the patches softly, you can do one little bit this shading and merge the one shading into second one. Now this area I am making some dark to overlapping the grade, and the darkest to overlapping the same pencil and make it darker here. Now this is lighter and the darker. Now one patch is coming out. Suppose you are making an apple or some coat. These patches you are doing, this common mistake you are doing. How to dissolve this patch? We need little bit a pencil on this, like little bit, very little. Okay, I hope you are understanding what I am going to say. Now there are three layers. You can see darkest one, you make it more darker to put the third and fourth layer on this with the same pencil. I am using the same pencil. You can use different grades of pencils also, like 2B, 4B and 6B. Okay, we are increasing the grade, it means we are increasing the darkest tones over there. Now I'm just dissolving the patch. Now you can say this area I have dissolved the patch over here. This is the lighter, middle tone and darkest tone in front of you. Okay, so one more, this is the one way you are doing the shading. If you want to do it, make it smooth, you can use your finger and mix it like this. The area becomes smooth, and the easy way to do the shading over. Okay, and this is the last tip I'm showing you. And afterwards, if you want to give some highlights, then you can put some eraser over here. At present I don't have eraser, otherwise you can put eraser over here, and then you can show the highlighted area over there.